Welcome to the Axel Equipment Rental Platform. Whether you're looking to rent out or hire equipment, this is the platform for you. To get started, click the Sign Up button and follow the prompts to complete the registration process. Once you've found what you're looking for, send the owner a booking inquiry, agree to the rental terms, make payment on the secure Axel payment portal, and you're ready to go. Importantly, Axel takes care of your money while the equipment is under rental. Axel only releases your payment to the equipment owners once the job has been completed. Return the equipment. Remember, the owner will be giving you a rating. Finally, rate the owner on the service and equipment they delivered. If you have equipment to rent out, simply list your stock on the platform. Include specs, pricing and pictures. Approve booking inquiries and arrange delivery of the equipment once payment has been confirmed via the Axel platform. After your equipment has been returned, you can rate the renter on how they handled your equipment and the rental arrangement. Payment for the booking will then be released to your account from Axel. It really couldn't be simpler. Join the Axel community today.